Gen friends, today we have the newspaper of 11th May 2025 and start with the first news that is peace deal struck but Pak violate persist. India-Pakistan reach understanding about stopping military actions, firing, say Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar. Pakistan made outrage for pause in firing on Saturday after Mouth afternoon Misri. Pakistan breached understanding or later Misri called for seriousness for neighbor. Monsoon likely to reach Kerala on May 27, earliest onset since 2009 IMD. Tamil Nadu CM Stalin lead rally to express solidarity with the Indian Armed Forces. Markets reopen but border area is still on alert in Rajasthan. Punjab, Haryana, UP asked to set up Parali Protection Force to put up an end to crop burning. Student from Kerala, Telangana in border state reached Delhi. Maharashtra Cyber Department urged people to remain vigilant amid surge in online attack. Miss World 2025 kick-off with a cultural extravaganza. MP Maharashtra signed interstate river project. Condition of Nipah patients from Kerala remain critical. The Wire website unblocked after it removed article. 21.29 of vegetable fruit sample yield pesticide residue after safety limit. NEP Kerala ministers to meet Tamil Nadu counterpart. House Committee on OBC welfare likely to discuss caste enumerate soon. Excess death in 2020 and 21 more than expected, lower than in many nations. Health Ministry. Government says peace deal was struck without mediations. Border to remain under tight watch. No order to scale down guard. Pak airbase struck. Their troop seems moving to forward area. Government. Kamikaze drone sent from Pakistan neutralized by the Army Air Defense. Opposition party urge Modi government to share detail of ceasefire, seek all party meetings. Junior minister attend Victory Day feat in Moscow. On Saturday, thanks Russia for its support in India's fight against menace of state-sponsored cross-border terrorism. This was covered by Ministry of State Defense Sanjay Seth to the Russian Deputy Defense Minister and Colonel General Alexander Fomin in Moscow. DG Combat clip began falsely shown as original footage PIB. 5 key figures of LTE Jaish-e-Mohammed killed in Operation Sindoor, Security Agency. India only options on IMF fund to Pak was absence from vote. Center can't dictate police of state, say Tamil Nadu Minister Thiggarajan. India can be a strong plural nations with its multiplicity of language. Regionalism is going to be important in emerging world order, say Ranil. Health professionals worry over rising prevalence of obesity among youngsters. What will be impact of India-UK trade deal? What is the self-defense clause in global laws? If the ceasefire agreement falls to hold, the UNSC could adopt a resolution calling for an immediate ceasefire of hostile. The terrorist trio of Pakistan. Terrorist organizations driven by Islamist ideology and anti-India sentiment have close ties with Pakistan military security established and have carried out multiple attacks inside India over the year. Curious case of yes modified to develop brain defect. Will take more than a year for India's UK FTA to kick off. Travel from boycott Turkey, Azerbaijan's. Senior US-Chinese officials must in Geneva to de-escalate trade war. Ukrainian allies press Russia to accept. At least 33 killed in Sudan in attack, blame on RSF. Bangladesh ban activists of dispose PM Sheikh Hasina Awami League Party. Colombo University suspended more than 65 students for occupying main library. IPL likely to resume before next weekend. India compound archeries excel in Shanghai World Cup. An alliance and pole arithmetic. When women go to the bank. That's from my side, friends. See you soon. Jai Hind.